Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add an item to wish list on Zalando. Pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zalando account, and then the next step is I'm going to show you how to create an account on Zalando. Very simple. All you need to do is to launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type zalando.com, and boom, that's going to take you into the official website for Zalando. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. Of course, after registering successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task. Experiment simple. How to add an item to wish list. Very simple. So here in this homepage, as you can see, so let's say for example, you're on a spree, or you're trying to you're on a shopping spree and you're looking for what exactly to buy. So let's say in the search bar, bag. It's gonna take me to all the bags, right, are available right here. Really beautiful bags. All right, oh my god, this is just so classy. The special Anna's Valentino bags, just really fine and cool, but that doesn't catch my fancy, so I'm just gonna scroll the way down until I find the bag is just perfect for me. I like this kind of bags. They don't have long hands, just small. Of course, we know there are different bags for different occasions, so you're definitely going to know what exactly you want. I'm gonna still scroll down to see something that's me, something that's like me. Okay, is it that they don't have something that has my name written on it? Of course, not literally. Oh, this kind. Oh, perfect. Yes, I like this kind of bag. And you said your designer bags. I love them. Okay, so let's say I love this bag. Now, I love it. What next? I love it, but I don't want to purchase it now. I don't want to place an order now. I love it, but I'm gonna save up for it. When I have the money, I'm just gonna come back to buy it. But I love it, and I don't want to miss out on the search. All right, so what do? You see this heart icon right here at the top right corner of the display, all right, of the specific screen where the bag is. Click on the heart icon, and once you click on the heart icon, that's it. That's pretty much how to add to wish list. How do I know? I have the heart icon. Please remember the back color. Nude stuff. And then click on back, go to top, and I'm gonna head over to the top right corner where you see this person icon, and you see this heart icon, and you see this bag icon. So I'm gonna click on this heart icon, and you're gonna tell me if you can find what I saved. Can you find it? Oh yeah, this is it. This is my bag. I liked 2 items. I can just click on that, and you see, this is it. So here's my wish list. All right, this bag, and of course I had earlier saved this shoe because I love this kit. All right, so this is pretty much how you can add an item to wish list. Wish list means save for later in simple terms. You can of course click on this X button to just take it off the wish list, and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.